Hello and welcome to the first video of the One Video a Day in May challenge. In this video, I'll show you how to set up automations for your course. If you're a course creator, you might have data all over the place. You might be using Zoom for meetings. You might be using Teachable as a course platform. Maybe you're using Converkit for your mailing list. You're using Slack for community. So how do you manage all this data? Maybe you're copying it from one spreadsheet into another, and it's all over the place. You lose the overview. But it doesn't need to be that way. You can use integrations to sync the data between the several tools you're using. It's easy to set up those integrations using Zapier. In this video, I'll show you one example of how to set up a Zapier integration for your course. We'll be saving all the students that enroll in your course in Teachable to a Google Sheet where you can then manage all the data. So I got my Teachable course set up. And now when somebody enrolls, I want to save that student's data into a Google Sheet. So I got a sheet set up here. I want to save the student's first name, last name, and email. To do that, I'm going to go to Zapier and click Make a Zap. So this event starts from Teachable. So Teachable is my trigger app. So I'm searching Teachable here. Then the event that I want is a new student enrollment. Now I have to connect my Teachable account. All right, so I'm connected with Teachable. Now I can test my trigger. This will just return a recent enrollment. And now I have to choose which app I want to connect it to. As I said before, I want to save the student data into Google Sheets. I'm going to save it to this spreadsheet. I actually changed first name and last name into a single name because Teachable doesn't give that data. All right, so now I want to connect it to Google Sheets. So that's where I am going to save my data. So that's called the action step. So I've connected my Google account. And now I want to create a new spreadsheet row whenever a student enrolls. I select my Google account and then navigate to my spreadsheet. So I choose my Google Drive and then the spreadsheet I just created. Choose the correct worksheet. And then it will give me the two headings that I entered here, name and email. And now I have to select which data from Zapier I want to save in those columns. So in name, we're going to save the username. And in email, we're going to save the user email. So those are fields defined by Zapier. And those are the corresponding fields that I have defined in my Google spreadsheet. All right, so let's test and continue. And now Zapier has sent a row to my Google Sheets, and you can see it appeared here. And now whenever somebody enrolls into my school, I will get another row added to my Google spreadsheet. And I can also share this Zap. If you want to use a similar integration, I'll just send the link to you, which I will include in the video description, and you can use it straight away. So it's that easy to set up integrations between the several tools you're using as a course creator. I hope you learned something new in this video. And if there's any other integrations or automations that you would like to see for your course, just drop me a message and I will explain them and record another video. Subscribe to my channel and check back in tomorrow for the next video. Thank you.